This video is going to transform your first dates. I'm going to explain to you the secret why 80% of the men never get a second date. And spoiler alert, it's not your looks, status, or family background. About 15 years ago, that is when I decided to start dating women. And there were no dating apps back then. So I was hoping that I would meet somebody through probably somebody at work or my social circle, or maybe a miracle would happen. And days passed, weeks, months, and years passed, and nothing was happening. Then one day, I came upon the world of modern dating on the internet. There were some articles which talked about how you can approach women, how you can date them, and I did a lot of trial and error. And after that, I was able to finally go on a date with somebody. And let me tell you, it took a lot of work, it took a lot of effort, and I was like, this is great. Now I'm able to finally meet women on my own, either by approaching them in person or through social events. But this is the final piece of the puzzle. I have solved it. Now I'm able to go on a date with somebody, and now things will fall into place because that is what the movies have shown me. All you need is figure out a way to meet a woman, and once you go on a date, things will just fall into place, right? So I was like this kid in a candy store, so excited that she said yes to come on a date with me. And you know what I did? As soon as she came on a date, I told her, I revealed all my cards, and I told her that I'm planning to make her my girlfriend. And you want to know what happened? Check this video.
Are you looking for a serious relationship or casual?
I'm looking forward to have a long-term relationship with you.
Whoa, hold on your horses. We're meeting for the very first time.
I thought we had a connection while chatting on the app.
You need to go a little slow.
Yeah, I chased her away so bad that she told me within about 30 minutes of the first date that she had to take care of something important. And when a woman says that abruptly, you know what that means. So I understood from my previous experience that being too nice on the first date doesn't work. So I wanted to come up with a new strategy. And I started doing a lot of research on the internet, reading a few books, and even watching some videos. And you know what was my new strategy? To be completely blunt and honest. Take a look at what it meant.
Are you looking for a serious relationship or something casual?
I'm not looking for anything serious right now because the problem is I'm out of practice and I'm trying to get a hang of the dating life, by going to date with you.
Well, for practice, it's not swimming that you need practice, it's dating.
I thought it's the other way around.
Okay.
Yeah, if you watch this video, you understood that I was being too blunt and too honest about what I felt, and the advice said that let her leave if she doesn't like what you say. And you know what? That is exactly what happened. She left. I was desperate at this point. I learned that being super nice doesn't work, and also being super blunt didn't work out either. And I kind of lost my faith in these techniques which I learned over the internet. So I decided to throw all this stuff away, and I wanted to present myself to her just like how I would talk to my male friends. And let's see how that went.
So, are you looking for a serious relationship or casual?
I'm actually looking for the fun aspects of dating without any strings attached. I'm sure you're gonna like that.
I don't think so. If I want to have fun, I go to movies and not break other people's heart.
Yes, that didn't work out either. Now at this point, after these repeated failures, I grew very frustrated and I started scratching my head wondering why this has to be so hard. It was supposed to be very easy, just like how they show in the movies in 4K definition, but that's not how it worked out in real life. And it wasn't until years later that I met a mentor of mine who revealed to me some of these first date secrets. And I wasn't really ready to accept some of his advices because I had thought that I have quite a lot of dating experience. I tried a lot of stuff which didn't work, and my confidence in some of these dating techniques were quite low, to be honest. And the way he revealed it, it's something like this. He told me that you have to be honest with women, you have to communicate your intent to her, but you should not be doing it in a way like how they show it in the movies or how you would talk to your male friends. You have to communicate your intent in such a way how you would talk to a woman, not a man. That was a secret in a nutshell, and sounded corny to me, to be honest, but it didn't hurt to give it a try because I had been trying a lot without much success. So I thought, let's try it. And look at this video. I'm not even that smooth with the way I answered this question, but it kind of works.
So, what are you looking at in a long-term partner?
I'm quite easygoing and I'm open-minded. I don't like to go with a specific outcome while I'm meeting somebody because each person and situation is different. And so long as the chemistry is good, I would like to see how things work out.
Oh, that's really nice. I think when you are in a relationship, you learn a lot of things along the way.
Yeah, you can see the response, right? It worked. Now, once I started communicating in this way, the pieces of the puzzles started coming together. I was getting more second dates, my first dates were converting, and my dating success started increasing because once you know how to answer the question, what are you looking for in an authentic way, you would be able to express yourself in a confident way to other questions of her. And guess what? That makes you more authentic, more charming, and more attractive, and things started working for you. I want you to try this on your next first date, specifically on how you answer this question to what are you looking for. And when you do this, you'll be able to move fast in your dating process, and you'll be surprised that there is no more mismatch in communication, there is no wasted time. You'll be moving to the next level in dating. And even some of your friends are going to ask you, what are you doing differently? This is not to say that I never had any more challenges in my dating or relationship life, but making this one change is going to transform your first dates and you're going to feel a lot more successful in the dating world. And a crucial mistake that you were doing is you were trying to be too nice or too try hard, or you were trying to become the bad guy. None of these things work. The solution is to communicate your intent to her, but do it in a way that makes sense to the female mind, and you're golden. Now, I help men like you on how to succeed in the dating world. And if you want help with the free consult, click on the description to find out more.